Hello everyone! Today our group will present how to make waffle.
Let us introduce our names.
My name is Haris.
My name is Marlo.
My name is Azaria.
My name is Hansa.
Hello! Me and my friends will tell you the ingredients and tools you have to prepare.
The ingredients you have to prepare is baking powder,
2 eggs,
60 gram cornstarch,
80 ml butter,
160 gram sugar,
1 teaspoon salt,
260 purpose flour,
180 milk,
vanilla essence,
and ice cream. The tools you have to prepare is silicone spatula, scoop ice cream, whisk, and ladle.
a bowl, some plate, and waffle maker.
The step you must do is
First, pour the sugar. Then, crack the eggs and pour it into the bowl. Next, add the flour, baking powder, cornstarch, milk, melted butter, salt, vanilla essence. Then stir until mix.
After the butter mix, you can pour the butter into the waffle maker. Then wait until the waffle cooks. Finally, serve the waffle while it's still warm. Then you can add some ice cream to your taste to make it more delicious.